Well, it's completely and totally pitch black out here tonight. It's, gosh, what, 8:30. So, yeah, fall is creeping up on us. So anyway, long day today. Got a lot of good things done. Oh, that light went out. And my other lights, I was using those earlier today, and they ran out of juice. So we're going to try these and see how these work. Hopefully it'll light us up enough here for a little bedtime. You can see things well enough, I hope. If not, then, failed attempt. It's the best I got. I should have the water. Filled up, right? Well, not filled up to overflowing, but that wouldn't have been any fun anyway. That puts a glare on my glasses that utterly blinds me, so I'll leave my glasses right there for now. I got 50 cents that says I'll never see them again, because I'll forget where I put them. Nah, I'd run across them eventually. Maybe I better carry them with me. If I put them right on my shirt. There. Now I won't lose them. And I will hopefully not be blind. Okay, everybody. Yes. What a surprise. Go on. Go on. Thank you. Give me just a minute. I love that they still do that even when it's pitch black. I wonder if these are my gloves. They seem, they fit. I was gonna say they seem small, but they work for me, so we're in. Alright, and earlier today, I added back a food bowl here. So, we can do that. Let's go ahead and move this one. A little more to the middle. Also tighten down several of these. But wait, the big news. Ooh, look at this. It's the new bowl. Yay. I cleaned out that one too, left it. I decided to go ahead and leave the low one for the ducks and the chickens because, when an animal likes it that much, hard to take it away. But this, that I think is going to work out great. Then I added this in. Since I took out the other feeder. So that should do the trick for us. I figured I added back in 4 face holes and took out 4 face holes. That's what I call a place where a goat can, put its face. It's face holes. If I've got 30 goats and sheep, I need 30 face holes. That's a hole where they can stick their face and eat. Oh, you're so close. I'll come around and take care of you folks. Oh, I guess I should give you a little bit more. A soft touch. After all, you have growing little boys. And a chicken who's trapped in here. What the hell are we going to do with that chicken? Here's what we're going to do with that chicken. I'm going to get you guys eating. Close, chicken. Let me help you out a little bit. Well, that'll make it easier. How you doing there? Did you get lost? In there, Kevin? I see you right up there. Right up there. Perched up high. I'm glad you made it back over. Okay, so that's good. They're eating. They're closed in. For the moms and babies, chicken is rescued. I think that means the only thing left is to let my little weasels in. Okay, everybody, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Is that everybody? I got no goats left over out here? No leftover goats. Okay. come around to get Gen Pot, get the door, get everybody closed in. Okay, we know Kevin's in place. I see a whole lot of ducks, a whole lot of chickens. Hi, Kev. Hi, Kevin. You're in the wrong spot. You need to be over on a roost. Go on. Go on. Thank you. Okay, everybody. Sleep well. See you in the morning. It's quiet out here tonight. And warm. Oh, do I even check here at Chicken Manor to see if we've got a hen? It's been like a week, right? It's been a week with nobody in here. So maybe our answer is just a solid no. Okay. I think that's a good thing, though. I know it's cute, don't get me wrong. I'm all for cute chickens. A certain amount of problems that don't need. I'd imagine once I turn these out, I'm not seeing anything else. So, the drone of a little airplane in the background. Good night.